Are you wondering how to clear Windows Microsoft Calculator without using a mouse? Then make sure to keep watching on this video to learn how to do that. Now you can use the delete key to delete the last entry. Now with your Open Calculator application on your computer, all you have to do is look for the delete key on your keyboard and then press it once ready. Now doing this will leave the rest of the calculation intact and the calculation is ready for a new entry as part of the calculation instead. Another keyboard shortcut you can use is the Escape key to clear the full calculation. Now in using the Escape key, this completely clears the log and the full equation on your calculator. And for your last resort, you may use the Backspace keyboard key, which is usually helpful to fix quick typing mistakes. You can use the Backspace key to take out just one number to the left of the last number you are about to type. And those are the possible ways on how you can clear Windows Calculator using keyboard shortcuts on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.